natin i-welcome yan. Pero cheers, cheers. Cheers na lang tayo to all the positive people out there. Cheers, okay. Palakpakan ng mga positive people. Yes. Palakpakan natin, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I really don't know kung sino yung mga viewers ko dito. Guys, ang saya-saya ng live natin ngayon. So, hello, Vans Vlog. Sorry, but alam mo, ano na kita. So, I have to memorize your logo, Vans, and then isulat na talaga kita, Vans. Hindi kita nakita kasi hindi ka nag-iwan ng footprint doon para kita mahanap. I didn't see you nag-jacket sa akin. So, hindi kita nahanap kasi yung nagja-jacket lang talaga sa akin is yung nakikita ko. So, I can also reply right away. So, 'di ba nag-notify naman 'yan. So, I didn't see you one of them. So, ganyan. Parang hindi ka magmahay, Vans. I really have to write